What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Linda Eze. I'm a registered nurse and I work in the UK. And in this channel I share information about nursing in the UK, nursing abroad, health and lifestyle. So if you are interested in any of these topics, stay with me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video you will know about it. So today I'm going to be talking about extra shifts and how you can make the most out of extra. First is try to follow the policy of your hospital. For example, some hospitals don't allow nurses to work more than 5 nights in a week or 5 days in a row in a particular week. So try to book your extra shift bearing in mind the policy of the hospital so you will not have any problem, and also to remain in good health. Second one is try to work in various units when you're booking your extra shift. Don't just stick in your unit. The reason is because it will help you to understand what goes on in different units in the hospital, so that if you decide to move from your primary ward to another ward in the future, you will be able to choose wisely. The third one rather is to book your extra shift in specialty areas. This will help you to earn more. Usually the specialty areas you will earn more while you do your bank shifts. And again is that when you must have worked there for a while, you will be qualified for what we call the bank specialist role. So your manager can sign you up to apply for the bank specialist role. This role will allow you to earn more while you work in that area, and it will also help you to gain confidence. So try to understand what actually happens in the hospital. I got to know about this very recently, so try to understand what goes on in your own organization and take advantage of it. Okay, now the last one is understand how many extra shifts actually make sense in a month. Now some people do so many extra shifts and finally they will complain that even though they are earning more, they are not getting everything they're supposed to get. You will discover that your pay will not be as expected. The reason is because the more you earn, the more your tax increases. And so sometimes when you don't even do so many extra shifts, because your tax has increased in the previous month, it may remain the same. And so many international nurses, because they may not even know that they can apply for tax return, and so they just complain their tax is increasing and everything. So in order for you to balance your lifestyle, to balance work and everything, I've gathered from my colleagues and experienced that 3 to 4 extra shifts or bank shifts in a month actually makes sense, and it will help you to remain healthy, and it will help you to be able to work with your full mind in what you want. This is it for me today. So if you get anything from this video, please like this video and share it with colleagues. Subscribe and come back for more. In my next video, I'm going to be explaining the 4 things I actually believe every new nurse, every international nurse working in the UK should know about working in the UK. So come back for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.